Our positive school climate is one of the first reasons that students talk about why it is they chose to come to RCA. First off, we build that school climate through a number of different ways. First on that list is that we intentionally keep our school size small. We have about 90 students in grades 7 through 12. We have 4 core class teachers, and we have 1 special education teacher, 1 principal, a secretary, and then some other additional support staff. That size is very important. It means that every student knows every teacher, and also that the majority of students know each other and know them pretty well. Many students stay together in their classes throughout the day, and that helps to build that positive school climate. At the same time, our students are adamant about maintaining our core values. Core values stands for as a culture of respect for everyone, and that means that we work really hard to build a positive school climate so that students feel comfortable and relaxed and they're able to learn. In addition to that, we also offer PECC standards, which stands for Personal Expression and Community Connections. The community connections part of that is important. Our students do service projects both inside and outside of the school, and then they're also required to participate in additional projects as they become available for our kids.